It's Weekend Update with Colin Jost and Michael Che.
What's up, everybody?
Welcome to Weekend Update. I'm Colin Jost.
I'm Michael Che. Well, this week, Republicans made their best effort to unite the country by presenting a new health care plan that everybody could hate together. Democrats are upset because a lot of poor people could lose their coverage. Conservatives are upset because it doesn't repeal Obamacare enough. And I'm upset because it still doesn't cover medicinal cocaine. And I got a screenplay to finish. I spent the money. The White House is officially calling the bill the American Health Care Act. And not as many people in the media have been calling it Trump Care, or as they probably should be calling it, Don't Care. Are you old and poor and losing your coverage? Don't care. How bad does something have to be for Trump not to want to put his name on it? This guy once put his name on a Ponzi scheme. But even for this, he's like, I don't want to take all the credit. That'd be like if Kanye's next album was called, But Enough About Me.
It was estimated that the Republicans' health care plan gives a $400 billion tax break to the rich, while the poor will receive a box of generic Band-Aids and a travel-sized bottle of Airborne. The Republican plan to replace Obamacare would also cut funding to Planned Parenthood, so you might not get to keep your health care, but you'll have to keep something else. Speaker of the House Paul Ryan gave Congress a PowerPoint presentation about the health care bill, because nothing says, trust me about the future, like PowerPoint. Unfortunately, he clicked one slide too far, and it got into workout tips.
Representative Jason Chaffetz defended the cost of the new health care bill, saying that if poor people want insurance, they'll have to choose between health care and that new iPhone, which is ridiculous. How are you supposed to even know when you need a doctor if you don't have an iPhone to FaceTime your junk to Colin and ask, hey, man, you ever get this before?
They gave you a fake number. President Trump introduced his revised travel ban this week, though it's probably not great that it's just a bunch of brown color swatches. The new travel ban will go into effect on March 16th, and then on March 17th, we showcase the type of upstanding immigrants this country wants.
WikiLeaks released documents saying the CIA can hack into personal devices and spy on people. Now, this is why I'm glad I have black grandparents. They told me the CIA was recording everything years ago. One year, I got my grandfather a Universal remote, and he smashed it with his dress shoe and said, boy, don't you know that's how they got Dr. King?
President Trump this week also surprised a group of children on a tour of the White House. Let's take a look at that. Popped out like a monster on Scooby-Doo. Was he trying to scare those kids away from a treasure? Speaking of Scooby-Doo, I think the eyes are moving in that painting behind him. But real quick, can we just turn up the audio and hear the kids' reaction to Trump? Can we hear that? Nothing says my presidency is going well like the screams of children. I thought the weirdest part was right at the end when Trump said, now, which one of you kids wants to be the new U.S. attorney in New York?